So, I got today my Craftsman shop vac here. I use this to hoover the floors. And it has accessories so I can go clean the skirting boards. And I can clean my Hoover the sofa if I want. This thing I got at Lowe's for 39 pounds. And if you guys live in England or United Kingdom, you guys don't have Lowe's. So this thing has a bag here. And it's the same thing. Look, there's a bag in here. Look, there's a bag. So it's like a pneumatic Henry, but in a Craftsman, because it has the red and the black, like a pneumatic Henry. This vacuum is very lightweight, and I forgot that right here. But I definitely use it to hoover the floors. It comes with a hose. I also got an extension one, so I can actually do better with hoovering the floors and all that other stuff. This machine can clean anything up. I can hoover up any dirt with this thing, and I also did hoover a car once with it. So I did hoover a car. I love this shop vac here. I don't know, people in the United Kingdom, guys might not have a Craftsman. Maybe you don't. But this one is a good machine here. Why I like this Craftsman wet and dry hoover, because it has all the tools I need, and I can get more accessories for the hoover. So I can hoover. This can hoover up water too. It's a wet and dry hoover, so it can hoover up water. It's small too, and I use this for more dry stuff, like hoovering the bare floors, because my bare floors are always hoovered. Not always hoovered. If I want to hoover my bare floors, I'll grab this. It's easy peasy to use. It has this is better than the Stinger shop vac you get at Home Depot for 41 pounds. And this machine is really good. And in the United Kingdom, you got this Vax Hoover, the brand called Vax. I don't know we get that in the US, but I know you get the Vax. And you can also get the pneumatic Henry. The pneumatic Henry, that can hoover, the same thing as this one. It does the hoovering. Well, and there's those robotic cleaners that hoover for you. Love these, and I love this. Becomes a upholstery tool, so I can go onto the sofas or the stairs if the stairs need to be cleaned. And this machine is good for a cheap hoover if you want to, let's say, use it around the house. I use it around the house. This is good for small apartments. If you have more bare floors, it'll be perfect for small apartments. Housekeepers, good for only for bare floors and small shag rugs. Not good for big pile rugs. And if you have any other parts I can hoover, let's say maybe in a laundry room, just can clean around the laundry room and clean where the washer is. If you have a spill in your washer, I don't have a squeegee tool for this yet. I will get one. And this is a price of a traditional wet and dry hoover or a shop vac hoover. Love these hoovers. Like, if you're watching this video, you might be in the United Kingdom, because I am saying hoover a lot. In England, vacuum means hoover. So, and I just love to hoover my carpets, and I have a Bissell Powerforce Helix Hoover, and I clean the carpets with. I actually hoover the carpets with it, and I have a Dyson DC-30 free Hoover. That's my vacuums I use. This is one of my Hoovers here. The Craftsman Wet and Dry Hoover.